All right, so in this tutorial series, what we're going to do is we're going to create the character aspect so that we can animate a walk cycle that will look like this. All right, so this is basically what we're going to be after, something kind of similar to this. Animation looks like. This is what the rig looks like. So basically, we're going to put bones. We're going to put an armature and bones inside of the character, and the character itself will have rigged parts like this. So you can see the leg. This leg is one piece as a whole. I can grab this, and you'll notice that the feet stick because they're IK, which is great. And then different elements will have, you can bend, right? So the arms, you can see, will be able to um, uh, bend in the ways that you want. Now you'll notice that the hands are a separate piece, and that's so that if you want to draw replacement hands, that is possible. The head has some other rigging as well. This one actually doesn't have the example, so I'm gonna load the other one back up again. You'll notice is with the head, I don't know if you could see, but you'll notice that the nose goes back and forth, and notice that the eye gets covered up here. So basically, it gives the illusion of the head turning back and forth, and that's because on this controller here, when I move it, you'll see it goes like this. So basically, by sliding that, we can slide it, and you can see it gets masked out. Some elements do by the face here. Um, there's also sub elements in here. So just to give you an idea, let's go just like that. Go into edit mode, and I'm going to show you the eyes and such also have some options as well. So I'm going to lock all of these except for the eyes, so you can kind of see what I'm talking about. Just grab this one. Okay, so I'm just going to select this. Oh, forgot to lock something else. What else didn't get locked here? That shouldn't be selectable. There we go. So basically, if I move this down, you'll see that for some reason, oops. Okay. Scroll down. There it is. Didn't get locked. Okay. So if I grab this eye here, you can see I can move this. Let me turn this bone off so you can see. I can move the element there. I'm going to try again. And G. So you can see I can move this down and it will give the illusion of basically blinking. So notice that like it draws that in there. And so we have that basically masked out by the eye itself. So if you want to do that stuff as well. So that's basically what we are after is more or less a rig that'll allow us to do. I didn't put blinking in here, but it'll allow us to give some bones, some bending. You can see the arms bend, the other stuff bend, as well as parts that we could potentially replace, like the hands and stuff like that. Okay, and some masking on the face. You might find that this is useful, like the masking on the face. Like maybe you want to have like a shirt graphic, and you can take the shirt graphic and turn it back and forth, so it gives the illusion of the body twisting. It's kind of up to you. But that is what we are going to be creating. So that way you get an idea of like where this is headed, and you'll understand why we're drawing the things in the way that we are drawing.